This isn't just a steep walk. It's a journey through old smuggling alleys and hidden coastal history. Stick around, because the view from the top changes everything. Robin Hood's Bay lies on the North Yorkshire coast, about 7 miles from Whitby. Why is it called Robin Hood's Bay? Well, local legend claimed the outlaw used the bay to hide boats or defend the coastal area from pirates, but the locals call it Baytown or Bay.
Yeah. Sure,
It actually feels like we're stepping back in time. Wonderful cobbled streets, narrow alleyways and coloured houses.
Forward.
Like a little stream or something.
If you love discovering hidden spots like this, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss our next adventure.
Boiling.
Well, that looks a nice place. It's time for a cuppa, I think. Well, here I am at the Cove. What a fantastic place and great views to boot. Apparently it's a wedding venue as well. What a great spot. If you're looking to book a holiday, you can sometimes rent this property as a former police house. Yes, it's on Airbnb. Look at the mouse here on the gatepost. The furniture maker used to leave this as a signature of his craftsmanship.
What?
I'm sure my dad's paid for that.
No, he's got two. Well, we put them on both on recent. Yeah.
This area is also a prime location for Jurassic fossil hunting, believe it or not. The bay has been used as a popular filming location too, because of its steep hill and dramatic cliffs. The Oscar-winning drama Phantom Thread was filmed here, and there's a plaque on the Hotel Victoria reminding us that J. Arthur Rank started the Rank Empire, and his first film was shot around the village. You can really see how these narrow alleyways were conducive to smuggling, can't you? The Bay Hotel, what wonderful sea views. In the 18th century, Robin Hood Bay became Yorkshire's most notorious smuggling hub. Its steep, isolated cliffs and the maze of the tightly packed cottages were perfect for concealing illegal shipments of tea, silk, gin and tobacco. According to village law, a bale of silk could be transported from the dock right up to the cliff tops without ever leaving the houses or seeing the light of day. Well, I can't believe it that I've never visited Robin Hood's Bay. It is wonderful. That's a great sandy beach and great for rock pooling. You can even walk to the secluded cove of Boggle Hole. Boggle Hole is supposed to be a sea cove further up the beach where these mythical creatures are supposed to have lived. Thanks for joining me at Robin Hood's Bay. If you want to see more videos, then follow the links at the end.